Well, good morning, fellow adventurers. It's Mother's Day, and today I'm going to celebrate by going plant shopping. As you can tell, I'm kind of into plants. I've been getting into plants more and more. I always kill my house plants, but I'm really trying to pay attention to them and take care of them. So there is a newish plant store that's opened a few miles from here out in Fairview, North Carolina. And I saw on their Facebook page that they're going to have like a Mother's Day sale on their plants. And they're going to have music and a little photo booth set up and stuff like that. So I thought, that sounds like a really good way to spend Mother's Day. So Beatrix and my mom and I are going to head out there in a few minutes, and I'd love to take you guys along. Will you join us? I knew you would. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. Thank you. All right, and that was our trip to Wilderness Botanical Shop. What'd you think, Bee? Oh, look, the Buggy Pops, they have a little bicycle. So that's the Ice Pop Company, Buggy Pops. Here comes Grammy. All right. Well, I got a plant. I've had an ice pop, and we've listened to some fun music. Thanks for joining us. If you get a chance to check out Wilderness Botanical Shop in Fairview, North Carolina, give it a try. They've got some beautiful plants. The ladies are super knowledgeable about what your plant needs to survive and thrive. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. We will see you next time. Stay adventurous.